We'll guide you through how to create a linkable file in Google Sheets. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open Google Sheets in your computer or laptop browser. After the homepage loads, create a new spreadsheet or open an existing file that you want to share. Wait until the spreadsheet loads completely so that all cells and menus appear clearly. Next, review the data inside the spreadsheet carefully. Make sure the information is organized properly and easy to understand. If you notice any mistakes, edit the data so everything is correct before sharing the file. You may also adjust the column width to make the text easier to read. After checking the data, move your cursor to the top right corner of the screen. Look for the Share button located in that area. Click the Share button to open the sharing settings for the spreadsheet. Wait for the sharing dialog box to appear on the screen before continuing. At the top of the dialog box, you will see a section called Name Before Sharing. Observe this box carefully because it displays the current name of your spreadsheet file. Check the file name shown in the box and decide whether it needs to be changed. If the name is not suitable, you can modify it before creating the link. Click the file name if you want to edit it. Then type the new file name that you want to use for the spreadsheet. After typing the new name, confirm that the file name is correct. Once you are satisfied with the name, click Save to proceed to the next step. Now look for the General Access section inside the same dialog box. This area controls who can open the file through the link. Click the Access drop-down menu to view the available options. From the list, select the Anyone with the Link option so the file can be opened by anyone who has the link. After selecting this option, observe the permission settings that appear below it. Choose the access level you want to allow for other users. You can select Viewer, Commenter, or Editor depending on whether you want people to only view the file, add comments, or edit the spreadsheet. Next, locate the Copy Link button inside the dialog box. Click Copy Link to copy the spreadsheet link to your clipboard.